Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Revolut to another Revolut account. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up your Revolut application. So click on it and then log into your account. So once you're done with that, so what you're going to do now here is go to the transfer tab next to your home underneath. So on your bottom here you'll see the transfer tab, so click on it. All right, so now what you're going to do, you're going to click on your top right the add new option there, so click on it. So once you click on the add new option here, so what you're going to see, what you're going to do now here is you can either transfer the money to the Revolut to the other users Revolut card number or their Revolut bank account number. So you can either use any of these methods. So if you have the details of the card, the Revolut card number, so you can click on card recipient, and then you can tab on someone else and then fill in the card number and then other details here, and then click on and then proceed with the transaction. Or if you're not using the card, then you can use the bank. You can click on bank recipient and then plug in the bank details of the Revolut account of the user that you're going to send him. So they are Revolut banking account details. Okay, just plug those the details and then click on proceed with the transaction. So either way you can like transfer funds from your Revolut account to their Revolut account. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.